Empath. Find emotional intelligence and strength in hard times. Written by Camelia Hensen. Narrated by Samantha Novak. Empath. Relationships, empathy, and dark psychology. Written by Camelia Hensen. Narrated by Samantha Novak. Chapter 1. What makes us as humans empathic? Why is it that we get miserable when we see someone crying and wince when a good friend cuts his finger? Do animals feel this emotional contagion as we do? An experiment released recently in the leading journal Present Biology shows us how the brain makes us share the feelings of others, and how likewise the brain of people and rats operate when sharing feelings. For a long time, many really believed that empathy is a distinctively human sentiment that sets us apart as a more moral species. More current observations chip away at this notion. Remarkable anecdotes emerged of chimpanzees who risked drowning in heroic efforts to rescue fellow chimpanzees in aquatic peril. Research studies showed rats, not known as the noblest of moral beings, invest considerable effort to free fellow rats from a trap. Indeed, emotions are contagious amongst rats. If one receives a moderate but shocking electrical shock, the rat gets terrified and freezes. It stops all movements. Rats do this to keep away from being detected by the main risk they encounter, predators. What is fascinating is that rats that notice the anxiety of another rat have been observed to also freeze. Somehow, the fear of one rat is moved to other, nearby rats, just as we get worried around anxious people. This observation led the way to checking out the brains of humans and rats to see what systems make feelings travel from one person to another, and to comprehend whether these symptoms are similar across species. In humans, this has been done by using functional magnetic resonance imaging, or fMRI, and typical experiments include two conditions: one in which the participant is exposed to a stimulus that activates an emotion, and one in which the participant witnesses someone else experience that feeling. For example, we can apply a moderate electroshock to the hand of a participant to see what brain areas are associated with feeling pain. The core brain area that activates.
Sample complete. Ready to continue?